Hi everyone, this is Amy. Today I'm going to show you the easiest bunny to sew. So let's get started. I post videos on Tuesdays and Fridays. Please subscribe and click the notification bell. To sew this very easy bunny, which would be great for Easter, print out the pattern. I'm going to put a link below on where you can get this pattern. And you can use some old t-shirt, sweatpants or sweatshirt, felt, or polar fleece. I'm going to use polar fleece today. Pin the pattern to your fabric. Now I'm going to start sewing here. I'm going to sew all around and I'm going to stop here. This will remain open and I can turn it right side out. Okay, I sewed all the way around and I stopped here, so this part is open. So now I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to cut all the way around. Like that, all the way around. So now I can remove my pins. And this should tear away. I'm going to use a chopstick to turn it right side out. Like that. And I'm going to stuff it. And now I'm going to sew the bottom closed. And now I'm going to add some eyes with a Sharpie marker. So I'll put one here and one here. And a nose and some whiskers. And I'm going to embroider those on with some black thread. So I'll come in from the side and come out there at the eye. And I'm going to add some blush to the cheeks and the ears and the belly. cheeks, ears, and the belly. Like that. And now you can tie a ribbon around the neck. And there you have a very easy bunny for children's Easter baskets or even as a new baby toy. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.